Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A5 steering wheel only ways. Begin by disconnecting the battery to avoid airbag deployment, then remove the airbag by loosening its visible bolts. Unplug the connectors carefully, remove trim pieces, mark steering alignment, loosen the center nut, use a proper puller to free the wheel hub, and reinstall in reverse order while torquing nuts to spec. Take your time and work methodically to avoid damage. Start with a clean workspace and lay out all tools and parts so nothing gets lost. Remove trim panels gently with plastic pry tools and keep screws labeled to match each opening. When loosening the center nut, mark the wheel position and use proper leverage. A puller removes the wheel evenly without damage. Keep connectors safe and test electrical functions after reconnection before finishing. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation. I picked up a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it actually helped me plan projects and budget for parts and tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Airbag safety is critical. Always disconnect the battery and wait the recommended time before handling connectors, and place removed airbags face up on a clean surface away from heat or power sources. Use a torque wrench to tighten the center nut and column fasteners to specified values, and realign steering sensors if needed. Reinstall trim, verify horn and buttons, and scan for codes to ensure systems are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.